Yuri, we have a confirmation that station keeping mode is at 11 meters. Please move the slider to the station keeping 11 meters section and move to step 17, station keeping S41. In work. And also report on system status on the course rate and on the ruler range. 11 meters, rate 0.
Flight controllers at the ATV Control Center in Toulouse now report that their look at all of the Jules Verne systems confirm it is in readiness for the retreat command that will begin the final phase of today's activities that have resulted in a successful close approach to the International Space Station. Once the command is initiated to place the automated transfer vehicle in its retreat phase, basically the commands that will put the Jules Verne in reverse, it will back off to a position about 62 feet from the aft port of the Zvezda service module, at which time another 2 minutes of station keeping and systems evaluation will be made, and then the final command of the day will be initiated. That's the escape command, basically to enable the ATV to break away from the orbit of the International Space Station and to press into a phasing orbit that will carry it back in a high elliptical loop behind the station, setting it up for Thursday's final approach and docking to the aft port of the International Space Station. We're about 3 minutes away from the eventual escape maneuver. The automated transfer vehicle in good shape, all of its systems verified.
Yuri.
Navigational laser systems, its onboard computers receiving and executing every single command that was issued today in a very complex choreography of orbital mechanics.
The retreat command has been sent. The retreat light is on. We have a confirmation of the retreat command. Monitor the retreat as per the backside of the nominal situation card, stage S4, S41. We can see the separation of the vehicle.
Visiting Vehicle Officer Nick Richardson confirming to Flight Director Brian Smith that the automated transfer vehicle is now retreating, backing up, having put itself in reverse to a distance of some 62 feet, where it will put the brakes on once again for a couple of minutes of station keeping and systems evaluation before its final escape maneuver.
We passed 14-meter mark, range 0.9, all the systems are nominal. Copy.
дальность порядка 18 метров.
Approximately 18 meters range.
Все системы номинально.
And all systems nominal.
Скорость.
Rate inaudible.
Скорость 0, дальность 19.
19 and 0 are arranged.
And the visiting vehicle officer reports that the ATV is now back at 62 feet away from the aft port of the Zvezda service module, where flight controllers at the ATV Control Center in Toulouse, France, will evaluate its systems before initiating the commands for its escape maneuver.
Yuri, we have a confirmation of the hold in S4, 19 meters, move to step 19, and move the table.
With the Zvezda service module's solar arrays in the foreground, the Jules Verne automated transfer vehicle sits passively just 62 feet away from the aft port of the Russian segment of the International Space Station. The two craft passing currently over Rio de Janeiro, moving from southwest to northeast, soon to cross the equator at an altitude of 212 statute miles.
Дальность 19, скорость 0.
19, 0 range rate. Parameters are nominal. All systems nominal. Copy.
Standing by for the commands to be given from Toulouse for the final escape maneuver. That will be the engine firing by the automated transfer vehicle that will send it below the International Space Station, phasing away from the complex to a point behind the station from which it will initiate its final approach for docking on Thursday.
Please monitor vehicle holding at this location. No change, 19-0 range rate. And all parameters are nominal and systems are nominal. Copy.